morning, y'all. Well, after a relaxing morning in the hot tub this morning, we are off to find some more waterfalls. Well, we made it to Dingmans Falls. Tell us about our journey.
That's right. It's not very well marked. It's actually at the Dingmans Boy Scout reservation.
Yeah.
So if you're looking for it and you're coming down the road, look for the Dingmans Falls Scout reservation, and that's where you turn in and you'll find the falls there. It's on Bushkill Creek. We went beyond it and stopped at the Delaware National Forest trailhead and found it on a map, so we turned around and came back.
All right, so let's go take a look.
All right. Got a lot of log jams.
Looks like it. We need to do some cleaning up. The weather's real nice today. Oh, I'm sorry. I stepped on your shoe.
Hey, you trying to undress me?
Well, not here. All right, so you can hear the rush of the water as we're going down the trail. And we'll get the full view of it right now. That's a lot of water. A lot of rocks. So this is Dingmans Falls. And I imagine if those trees weren't in the way, it'd be running more water over it.
Probably.
Dingmans Falls, like Paul said, is on Bushkill Creek, and there's a private park that you can go to, which is a beautiful park, and if you've seen our video on it, you'll know at Bushkill Falls. I'm going to go down and see the rest of the creek.
Okay.
Okay.
One of these is a little bit loose.
Oh, shoot.
Just look at them and look at them and keep them in the
Alright, that's what we just came up. Came down. We came down. Oh! There's other falls you can see. When we were up there a while ago, I don't think you could see the small one coming out from the side underneath that one log.
That'll keep you away.
No one is permitted to fishing zones in the snake habitat beyond this point. Yeah.
That'll make you look.
See that little one coming out from the side?
Uh-huh.
I don't think you could see it from when we were up top. So it's like you got a little treat. That's pretty. We're still in the Pocono Mountains, and this
trails of the Delaware State Forest that cross here.
Oh, that must have been part of it. I think the reds and the greens are so pretty together. It's Christmas. Even the trees know it's near Christmas. So we have stopped to find Dingmans Falls, and the regular trail that's supposed to go down to it is closed because of hazardous conditions. So we are just kind of walking down this trail. We just parked on the little side parking area, and I don't think these are any more hazardous than the regular trail. What do you think, Paul?
I think so either. So I just saw this. I just saw the road that said Park Road, and then as we crossed a bridge, I saw the falls off to the right. So not sure which one it is, but we're gonna go down here and look at it.
This is kind of a neat structure. I wonder what it was. It's kind of really interesting. Ah.
It was a mill.
Yep. The abandoned Brooks Woolen Mill was a picturesque ruin when George W. Childs designed this park. Factory Falls. There you go. Can't see it very well because of the trees.
Go down there to that viewing point.
Okay. It's got several different layers that comes down.
Kayak down.
Right, sure.
Looks like this walkway goes way down.
Alright, well, let's follow it. Oh, and it goes, well, we're still up at the top. Let's go over this trail. Ah, yeah. Nice. Well, you could almost get right out to it.
Apparently Child's Park was one of the CCC activities. This is Dingmans Creek. Watch your step here. And here we are at the top of Factory Falls.
Fulmer Falls, which is one of them we were looking for. And then when we got down here, we see another sign for another falls that says Deerleap Falls. So this is going to be a 3-for-1.
3-for-1 stop. I love it.
Unless when we get down to Deerleap Falls, we see one that says Silver Thread. But isn't this beautiful? And then you can see on the other side of the creek or waterfall that here's another platform viewing area, another trail that you can come down. And we'll probably do that too and get a view of the other side. And it keeps going. Oh my gosh, look at it. I think Paul told you already that the Corps of Conservation,
Civilian Conservation Corps.
Yeah. Built this park.
This is a child's park. C-H-I-L-D-S. Child's Park.
Named after somebody, I guess.
So let's keep exploring.
Again, you can see the layers and layers of the rock, the sedimentary rock that we saw yesterday.
Got it. All right, this is the way to Deerleap Falls.
What? That way? Okay, well, obviously we can't go that way.
Maybe. Be careful walking.
This is kind of a treacherous bridge. It looks like it hasn't been very well maintained. I'm gonna let Paul go first. And he's walking right down the middle, and I think so should I. All right, I'll stop. Oh man, this is quite a gap.
Walk right down the middle. That way you're over top of that beam.
Yeah, and that's what I said I was going to do.
And then you started walking over there looking at the falls. And stepped on a soft spot, and I saw it give about that far when you stepped on it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, now I fussed at you on film. Look at this view of Fulmer Falls.
Okay, so here's another look of Fulmer Falls from a distance while we're heading down to Deerleap Falls. And I've got to say, I don't reckon this park is maintained very much anymore.
I wonder if that's Deerleap or if this is Deerleap down here, where it drops down one more level. I bet it's down here.
Well, let's go find out. We were coming down these steps and it just looks like the stairway ends, and I thought, well, that's weird that it just ends, and then I look over here and I say, oh, it's been broken off, I guess, by something. And then I look right there and went, a tree fell on this boardwalk and caused it to break. So you kind of have to leap from the boardwalk here over to those roots to get over there. Okay, so this bridge, this trail goes down to the bridge that goes right over the top of Deerleap Falls, and it's not very well maintained either.
Stay in the middle.
I will stay in the middle.
Here's the video I got. I did this, and then I followed it. The 15-second video.
Oh, look at this.
Were you looking for the falls?
I was looking for the falls, yes.
Yeah, it's right below.
That comes out the other side. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, I didn't get a video of that. That is pretty cool.
Alright, walk down the middle. Alright, so I had an idea. Here's a crack. The board's right out. We came down this boardwalk, those stairs, and we turned and saw this view of Deerleap Falls. And you can kind of see why it's called that. There's a real narrow gap at the top of the falls where, you know, a deer could just leap right across. And again, it's not a very big falls, but it's the makeup, the structure of it that's really neat. Okay, Paul made an interesting observation. So this area probably is the last, you know, good area of running water, flowing water. And you think, oh, this is so pretty. Well, then the other side's going to be just as pretty. Well, if you turn around, I don't think it's as much a swamp area as it is
Just down trees.
Down trees and limbs that have that hadn't been cleared out.
Definitely slow moving. The creek's getting a lot slower.
Yep.
They had to have some really bad storms here this winter, because look at these trees that are uprooted.
Right. Or last winter. Really bad.
All right, well, let's say goodbye for now from Child's Park and Dingmans Creek, and we're gonna head back to the car and go find something
to eat. Yeah, food. I'm ready for food.
All right, till later.
We say
bye, y'all.
Hey y'all, thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, The Go With The Flow Couple. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Bye y'all.